Good day, everyone. I'm going to report about research, data organization, interpretation, and discussion about how to write journal articles. So, how to write a journal article. Writing a journal article may seem daunting for novice, as often as many questions are raised, such as how to write, what format to use, which journal to send to, how to improve the chances of being accepted, and what to expect after sending the article off to a journal. So, sa pagsulat sa journal article is daghay mga daghay mga question sa base sa pagsulat ug unsay gamiton ng mga format ug unsa ang journal para unsaon pagbuhat sa journal ug unsaon pag-improve para madawat ang journal article sama sa pagbuhat sa title or unsa pa diha. So before starting to write an article, select the journal you want to send to depending on your subject and your target audience. So sa pagbuhat sa article is mo-select ka og journal kung unsa magdepende kung unsa nga subject or unsa ang kinsa ang mga target ni mga audience group ba or etc. Sama like na discuss atong niagi simana sa akong sa mga nato. It is very important to read the instructions to authors of the journal that you intended to send to follow it closely, as nothing irritates the editors more than an article that has not followed the format nor the instruction requested. So, kinahanglan ang pagbasa sa mga instructions, kumbaga sa mga magbasa ta og kining mga journal, kinahanglan sundon nato ang ilang mga instruction. So kay kita may mo basa din kung magkuan ta, kinahanglan kuan sila tawag ani. So mao na to, basta may ilhan sila kung unsa ilang mga request, kinahanglan nato sundon. Some editors may reject the article straight away when this occurs. So uban mga editors kay i-reject ang mga article straight away when it's occurs. So kumbaga something like mapareha ana. So first is the how to write article, a journal article. So first is title. Title is probably the most important part of the paper, as readers will decide whether to proceed or to read your article or not depending on it. So sa pinakauna is title gyud ang pinaka-importante nga buhaton. So ang kumbaga ang mga readers is maka-decide ba sila kung mo-proceed pa ba sa pagbasa sa article or magdepende na. So it should describe the research and is short, informative, and concise. So sa pagkuan pa lang na describe na ang research kung unsa ba informative ba or kinahanglan concise siya. Avoid using title starting with. So kinahanglan i-avoid ang pagbuhat sa title nga nagsugod, a study of as this is obviously a study. So obvious man nga study man gyud atong gibuhat nga papel. So dili na kinahanglan dapat pa nga sugod pa sa a study of kini etc. unsa man diha. Basta magbuhat og title dili ta magsugod og a study of. So interesting a title attracts readers. So mas interesting ang title so ang mga reader is ma-attract sila. It is analogous to marketing a product to reach out to your readers. So kumbaga marketing strategy, a product to reach out to mga readers. Second is authors. Each author should have made significant contribution to design, analysis, and writing up the paper to take the public responsibility for its content. So, ang mga authors is na ay mga significant contribution sama sa mga design, sa mga analysis nga ilang gibuhat, and writing the paper to public. So gipakita sa public nga unsa ang mga content. So to the first author is one who has the major input into study and prepares the most part of the manuscript. So ang first nga author is one who has, so siya ang pinaka major input sa study, sa pag-andam sa mga papel, sa part sa manuscript kana. So author ang pinaka importante. So third is abstract. Different journal may specify different abstract format. So ang abstract is mga different journal may maka-specify dito ang mga different abstract ang format and follow the instructions for authors. Kinahanglan isunod nato ang mga instructions sa authors. The abstract normally consists of background, objectives, methods, settings, design, result, and conclusion. So ang abstract is nakakonsist siya sa background kung saang naa diha, unsa imong objectives, og ang mga methods, settings, og unsa ang design, og unsa ang resulta, og ang kinatibukan conclusion. Usually this is limited to 200 to 50 words. So limited 200 to 250 words. Summarize new and important findings and main conclusion of study. So nakasummarize ang mga importante kung sa imong nakita findings and main conclusion of the study kung sa ang mga pinaka-importante, pinaunsa ang outcome. Do not use phrases such as, so dili gamiton, kumbaga kung mag-discuss na nga dili gamiton kini nga linya, this will be discussed, or kining further detail will because abstract are more likely used to be. So dili kinahanglan further detail will kana dili na kinahanglan gamiton. Accessible to readers than the full text article. So kinahanglan ang mga readers is mabasa nila ang full text article. Sunod next is keywords. Following abstract, usually 3 to 10 words are required that are usually mesh headings so that it will ease the process of indexing and cross-referencing. So, ang kinahanglan na po keywords sa following abstract, kumbaga 3 to 10 keywords. 3 to 10 keywords. Take that. Kwan lang. So, the words usually convey the research studied or important concept, methods, population, or setting of the study. So, the words is usually naka-convey sa the research studied, o ang important concept, methods, and ang mga population or setting of the study. Next is the main text usually follows the IMRAD system, which is the basic writing or writing as scientific paper. So, IMRAD stands for Introduction, Method, Result, and Discussion. So, it deciphers different question posed. In the introduction, we explain why do we start the study. And methods explain what did you do. In result, detailed what did you find. And in discussion, explain what does it all mean. So, ang introduction, we answer and explain. Kinahanglan mo answer ta with explanation. Kaya pangutana, why did you start the study? Ngano gisungdan nimo ang kini nga study, nganong gibuhat? So, sa method, what did you do? Unsa imong gibuhat? So, explain. In result, detail. What did you find? Unsa imong nakita? Unsa imong na found out sa imong kana. So, and in discussion, explain what does it all mean. So, unsa ang pasabot tanan unsa ang imong nakita. Unsay pasabot tanan i-discuss nimo tanan sa ipanghitabo kana.